video we are going to start a new playlist of Kaggle projects. So it is our first project. So I'm taking a very simple project, dog and cat classifier. So for that we have to first are going to fetch our data first directly in our drive, because it is very difficult to download all this data then upload into our drive. So first I will have to click on this link. So we are now going to fetch all these images. So for that we have to connect our drive and our collab. For that you have to go in your account. You need a Kaggle API to transfer the data directly into our collab. So now you have to click on this create new API token. So it will download a file of JSON. So now after downloading that file, you have to upload your file in your drive directly. Now as you can see, I have a kaggle.json file. You will get this file after click on this API token, create new API token. So after uploading this, we have to do a simple commands in our collab. So first we have to link our drive by this command. Now as you can see, I have already connected my drive to my collab. So after this we have to change our directory, that where we want to save our images. So as you can see, I have already mounted, so it will show my drive directory is in my collab. So I want to save my images in my this folder. So we have to just take this copy path and we have to paste it over here. As you can see, it is the same path I have taken. I have take from this. So now we have to use a cd command over here. Cd command is used to change the directory where we want to save our images. So after this we need this command to download the zip files is required to extract the images after that. So this command we will get on same link of the dataset. So we have to click on three dots. Now we have to click on copy API commands. So it is the same command we are going to use it. So as you can see, it is the same command. So after executing this, it will download that zip file. Now we will get our zip file. Now as you can see here, it is my zip file. Now we have to extract this zip file. Inside this zip file, we have two folders, test and training datasets. Now after executing this unzip command, you will get your test and training datasets both. So if I show you in my folder, as you can see test, inside test we have all our two classes. So inside the cats I have all my images. Now as you can see here, it is my all the cats images. Now remember one thing, we have to delete this file ds_store to start our training. It is present in my all the classes. So we have to delete this file from every folder before going into our classification. So in my next video, we will try to solve it and we will try to train our CNN architectures with different architectures like AlexNet, BGGNet, ResNet, Inception and all these things. So for that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.